Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to delete WhatsApp call history permanently. This method will work on both iOS and Android, just follow my steps. Okay, first thing first, before starting the video please make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. Open WhatsApp app from your phone. Now tap on calls from the bottom right side of the screen. Alright, now if you want to delete a few or a single call logs, then you just have to tap and hold the contact. To show you guys, I have selected 4 call logs. Then tap on this trash icon to delete the call history. And if you'd like to delete all your call logs, then tap on this 3 dot icon and tap on clear call log. Now a pop-up window will open for confirmation asking if you are sure to delete all call logs. So tap OK. Now close and reopen WhatsApp. Go to the call section. There are no call logs at all. That's how you can delete all of your call history from WhatsApp permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.